How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. First you're going to tap on settings and then click on your iPhone profile name. After that tap on iCloud. Scroll down till you see iCloud Drive and make sure it's turned on. Also your WhatsApp as well. Once that's done, you can close settings and go to WhatsApp. Go to the app settings and go to chats. After that, tap on chat backup. You can backup with videos, but it's better to not include videos because the iCloud space is limited. So tap on backup now without videos. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time to upload all your messages. Now you can see it shows that the last backup was done now. Now I'm going to delete WhatsApp and install it again from the Apple Store. After installing the app, go to the app, tap allow and OK. And then agree and continue. After that, enter your mobile number to configure WhatsApp. Now the most important part. If you don't restore your chats now from here, you won't be able to restore your chats again. So tap on restore. Then as you can see, it starts downloading your data from your iCloud. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Now that the chats are restored, tap on next and enter your name for your WhatsApp and tap on done. And that's it. In this way you can restore your WhatsApp messages and chats on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video helped you guys. Till next time. Goodbye.